Sanctions. After
85A.
85A.
Yes. Where the Speaker of the House finds that a member has breached the code of conduct or that a member has breached any of the provisions of the rules for which no specific sanction has been provided, the Speaker of the House may, in addition to any other sanction to which a member may be liable under these rules, A, issue a formal warning to the member, B, reprimand the member, C, direct the member to apologize to the House or any other person in a manner determined by the Speaker of the House, D, withhold for a specific period of time the member's right to use or enjoy any specific facility provided to members of Parliament, C, remove or suspend the member from any other position held by the member in Parliament for which no specific grounds for removal or suspension are provided under these rules or any other law. F, suspend the member from the service of the House or any committee for a period determined by the Speaker of the House. Justification, to provide for sanctions, breach of the conduct of the Code of Conduct and breach of the rules where no specific sanction has been provided.
Aisha,
I agree with the majority position.
I put a question that the proposed new clause be inserted as proposed. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Insert this the proposal be amended by inserting immediately after sub-rule 2 the following. 1, gross disorderly conduct. A member commits an act of gross disorderly conduct if the member, 1, defies a ruling or direction of the Speaker or chairperson. 2, disrupts the Speaker's communication. 3, demonstrates or makes disruptive utterances. 4, declines to retract words rude and unparliamentary by presiding officer or declines to offer an apology when ordered to do so. 5, attempts to or causes disorder of whatever nature. 6, uses or attempts to use violence against any other person in the House, committee, or within the precincts of Parliament. 7, destroys property in the House or committee. 8, attempts to or disrupts the Speaker's procession. 9, attempts to or removes the mess from its place. 10, deliberately gives false information to the House. 11, publishes or discloses a committee report, evidence, or a document received by a committee before the presentation of a committee report. Justification, to provide for circumstances under which a member's conduct may amount to grossly disorderly conduct as referred to in Rule 82. 2, to enable members to rise on a point of order where a member commits an act of gross disorderly conduct. I beg to move.
Aisha,
There was consensus.
JG.
Right Honourable Speaker of it, except I wish to add one word on
11.
Publishes or discloses a committee report, evidence, or a document received by a committee before the presentation of the committee report to Parliament. Because the presumption is
Yes.
they are public documents, but they only become public after presentation.
Yes.
You don't have to let by conceive. Clarification?
8 be amended as proposed and amended by the Attorney General. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.